Adding schema markup helps search engines better understand your page content, improving visibility in search results. In this quick video, let's try to add a custom json-ld schema markup on a Wix page. In this example, I'm going to add it on the Contact Us page. To start, first, let's check the current schemas inside our Contact Us page. Go to validator.schema.org. Let's run our URL and test it. As you can see, there's only one schema, which is person. Now, to add one on a page, simply click on the page toggle icon. Go to the Advanced SEO tab. Select Structured Data Markup. We have here the current schema. We can either remove it or just add a new one. I'm going to add a new markup. I'm naming it Contact Page. Then here, you can paste in your JSON schema markup. Hit apply once done. Now, let's publish. Let's rerun the validator again. And as you can see, the schema we added was recognized. Thank you for watching.